All right, so what you could do is you can remember to keep the videos as short as possible. 30 seconds to 3 minutes should be the main videos. Now, if you want to go more in depth, you can put little links to other videos, but the main video for page should be pretty short. Keep them simple. This is an easy way to connect and engage with your students. Do not make this a time suck because video editing can take up a lot of time. So just go into this saying, hey kids, this is us going through the lesson. That's what you want to do. This is us going through the lesson. Here's some tips and tricks you need to know. This is some things you need to look for the test. You can give them things also, like you can in the video say, hey guys, if you watch this video, I'm going to give you a hint to question number 3, things such as that. You don't have to do these for every single lesson, but do them for some, okay? But don't make it just an overview. Don't make it something where the kids do not think they're going to get something out of it, because if they realize, oh, if I watch this, they're going to step me through everything I need to do today, they might watch it. If you say, watch this and then do all the work, then maybe they won't. You got to kind of find that middle ground there. And we can find it. And once again, engagement, empathy, and excitement. Got to do it. All right.